I couldn't buy it, so I made it. I didn't want it, yeah, I made it.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, today we're going to be customizing this Ken doll, which we found on Amazon, part of the BMR 1959 collection, and it was $37. So let's get into today's video. So let me show you the box art. I think they did an amazing job in the box art for this box, so credit to them. So on the side of the box there is some wording. It says, the BMR 1959 collection celebrates the fashion heritage of Barbie and showcases how trends influence the brand. These bold, fully posable dolls capture the diverse looks found in today's streetwear, from high-low fashion mixes, reimagined 90s gear, to juxtaposed patterns, textures, silhouettes. This curated symbol is all about personal expression and style. So Mattel must like their man buns because quite a few of their dolls have man buns. So let's open the box. So this is the doll out of the box. He does come with some glasses. There you go. Now he does also come with a hoodie that says BMR 1959 on it. He also has some shorts that have BMR 1959 printed all over, and some shoes that also say BMR 1959. He does come with a stand, so let me show you how to build that. First, you're going to need a white piece that it came with, and then you're going to get the stand part. It did take me a little effort for this part, but it does hold him really well, and it looks really nice. But he can stand on his own. Currently, he's actually on the stand now, but he does stand well on it. Okay, so I just took out the man bun, and it's a bit messy. So yeah, I didn't cut any at all, but I will cut it in a second. So yeah. So I cut his hair and added some mousse so it would lay down, and we cut quite a bit off, but I think it looks nice. What's up, everybody? I'm Austin. Grew up on a farm. I'm a pretty chill guy. I'm 19, and that's pretty much it. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching today's video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and click the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Don't forget to click on these two videos to watch next, and I'll see you next time.